ಇದು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೇಡಾ?
ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನ್.
ಓ ಈ ಥರ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ.
ಅದು ಪ್ಲೇನ್, ಅದು
Other type, which is also good, I felt. It's thick. I'm looking for thick bangles. This is also good. And then this is also good. He went mad choosing, so I got more people. One is here, one is here, and one more is here. So now 4 people will sit and choose. Hey you guys, welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamath Vlogs. And if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube journey. Today we are doing some gold shopping today. Yay, this is going to be gold shopping vlog. We are going to Jose Alucas here in Udupi to shop some bangles for me. Gold bangles. I wanted some thick bangle which is lightweight. So lightweight thick bangles I wanted. So something in around 20-30 grams for 2 bangles, that kind of range. So I wanted to see how it will look and how is all that. So let's go and see, and I'll take you along and let you know what I bought. Let's begin. I'm excited. This is Bhima. That is Jose Alucas. And there it is Joy Alucas. Some new jewelry shop, Blue Stone it seems. Nice. This is Jose Alucas and this area is called Chittaranjan Circle. And on reaching here, they redirected us to the gold bangle section, which is on the ground floor itself. Here we begin the shopping. So this is one bangle. This is what he showed me. This is, both bangles are 20 grams. 20 grams these two are. And this is 17 grams. This kind of. Initially I was confused. I thought 2 bangles are 20 grams, but no, each bangle is 20 gram. And these were different bangles that they had. They had good collection. So I was trying out these bangles. 20 grams each means 40 grams. That was way out of my budget. So I dropped this plan of buying these, but they were very thick and it felt very lightweight. And as I said, it's out of my budget. They showed me bangles with lesser gold. So this was 17 grams each. They were kind of the same bangles but with less gold. So this would be 34 grams. It looked like the same design almost. दोनों गल्लरी पूरा बड़ा सेनेगल का मोना ಇದು 20 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ,
ಈಚ್ 20 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್.
ಈಚ್ 20 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸಾ? ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ.
ಇದು 18 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್.
ಓ ಈಚ್ 20 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ 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 ಓಕೆ. ನಾನು 20 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ.
ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗ್ರಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿರಿ?
ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಈಚ್ 15 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಆ ರೇಂಜಲ್ಲಿ.
30 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ?
ಹೌದು, ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿ 30 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಸರಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ.
Then I told them my preference that I'm looking for 15 grams each, around 30 grams 2 bangles. And then he told me this is around 20 grams each, that is totally 40 grams. These were huge bangles. Design.
ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಕೊಂಚ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ತಗೊಂಡದ್ದು, ಇದರದ್ದು ಸಹ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. I had bought this ring here in Jose Alucas itself. I had made a vlog. You can watch that. I'll leave a link in the I button. After I told them my preference of 15 grams each bangle, then they went and brought a different collection. So they were very good and explaining everything very nicely.
15 ग्राम का है?
ಏಕೆ 17 ಅಷ್ಟಿಸ್ತ
17 ಬರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು
ಈಚ್ 17 ಅಲ್ಲ
ಹೌದು
ಈಚ್ 17 ಅಂತ ಉಳಿದೊಂದು ಈಗ 34 ಬಲ್ಗ
ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ರಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಆಫರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ
okay okay he was saying us that there is offer because it was Diwali time that we went around October end time, so he was saying that there is offer going on. This is screw type. Okay. This is 16 grams. This was one screw type of bangle which we were looking at. It was good. It looked heavy also. I mean, it looked grand.
Shining as like.
ಇದು 16 ಈಚ್ ಇದು 70 1 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್
ಓಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ತಿಕ್ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಇದೇ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು. I liked those initially showed thick bangles only, and here we were trying to see the flexibility, durability of this screw. We were checking if this screw really works on the screw bangle and how durable it is. So we were trying, but the shopkeeper was like, if it comes out without the need, why are you wanting to try it? This was another design which they showed us. It was looking very nice. Also, I'm sorry for this glare or whatever that blinking light is coming behind. It's my camera settings. I'm sorry. This is 16 grams. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ರೇಟ್?
7350 ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ 360 315
ನಾನು ಇದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ 6500 ಏನೋ ರೇಂಜಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅದೇ
18 ಅಲ್ಲ
ಆಗ ನೋಡುವಾಗ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಅಗಲ ಇದೆ.
ಹೌದು
17 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್
ಹೌದು. He was saying this is 18 grams each, and but it was not matching my criteria that it's not very thick. This was more like temple jewelry, kind of different color of gold. He said these bangles are handmade and weight is almost similar to 15 grams and all that, but I think they'll charge hefty making charges.
ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಹಾಂ ಅದು ಫುಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೇಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್.
ಇದು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೇಡಾ?
ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನಲ್.
ಈ ಥರ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. Wow, this is 15 grams each. These are handmade bangles with 15 grams each gold, and they are all Lakshmi design and different design. This is plain, and that is all handmade. So there are different variety of collection. That was very nice. I liked that you ask for it, they have it. These are the ones which I shortlisted. I liked this one only the most. I liked this one. Then this is another type which is also good, I felt. It's thick. I'm looking for thick bangles. This is also good. And then this is also good.
ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್. 14 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್. ಇದು 17 ಅಲ್ಲ, 3 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್.
Okay. 15 grams each. 14 grams each. This is 17 grams each. The name of the person who's showing us these bangles is Anis. He was very helpful, and then he went and brought another set of bangles which is similar to the one which I like, but they are lesser in weight. So it's 14 grams and this is around 17 grams. This is what I think I'll end up buying mostly.
ಅಂದರೆ 240 ಲಾಸ್ಟ್.
I am interested in this. This is 17 grams and the design is very nice. Matched my. As I had almost liked these bangles, we were asked them what will be the cost, estimated cost, and to calculate based on the today's rate and then all the making charges, GST, blah blah blah, everything. This comes around 3 lakh 13.
ಇಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಮಷಿನ್ ಕಟ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ
3 lakh 13,000. Sir? Anis. Okay. He showed us very nicely. Thank you, sir. He explained very well and he was very helpful. Thank you, sir. Yeah, we'll come and mostly buy this one only. I really liked it. So, yeah. They calculated the cost and told us it will come around 3 lakh. So, it was some 3 lakh 5,000 or something, and they'll give some discount and all that, and it'll come to 2 lakh 97,000. That's almost around 3 lakh. So then I was confused because it's a huge money that we are putting into it. So I thought we'll go home and then we'll get my mom and dad and then we'll check. I wanted to ask them their opinion, is it worth it and all of that. So yeah, this is us around afternoon time we had gone, and now again in the evening time I got my parents along with me to go again. We came and we are now seeing what and all I had shortlisted. So these were the bangles which I had shortlisted. I went mad choosing, so I got more people. One is here, one is here, and one more is here. So now 4 people will sit and choose. This is one. This is 16 gram each. This is 13 gram each. This is 17 gram each. 18 gram anto bangar chadas 18 gram each. Anto bangar chadas 18 gram each. This is 14 gram each. 14 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಉಣೆಸ್ತಂತು ಅಮ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ఉంది అక్కి హైదరాబాద్ వచ్చాను ఈ మంత సమ్మకి ಹೆಂಗೆ ఉంది అక్కి జల్లే బసిల్ కడ అన్నేక్ల టొప్పి జల్లే. After seeing these bangles, my mom is telling my father, buy me one set of bangles or this necklace. So we were all laughing. This is their necklace collection. They have good necklace collection also. Variety of new trends. This is what we were seeing. This is different variety of trends, new trends also, temple jewelry and so many things. And we ended up buying that same bangle. They have good collection here. It's good. They have good collection here. And we buy a lot of gold from this Jos Alucas only. This is another bangle which we bought from this Jos Alucas long back. Necklace is good. This is also beautiful. This particular one, that is also very beautiful. We also did this scheme of 5,000 rupees.
एक्चुअली तुम्हाला दुड्डच लाच पडाय गट्टी घेवचे सांग ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ಹಾಕಿಂತ
वय दुड्ड असला गट्टी घेवचे सांग
आता आता 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ಆಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾರಿ ವಾಪಸ್ 1 ವರ್ಷ ಚಲ್ ಮಾಹಿತಿ 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ಮಂತ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ 95000 ಜಾನಸ್
वय now we are at billing section. So the two bangles at 17.5 almost grams, 34.6 grams total came up to 2,95,000. Along with the purchase they are giving free gifts. So they are asking which we want. This is one option of Diya. This is a free gift along with the purchase. Or these two you can buy. These are free gifts. Or silver coin also you can buy. So we chose that single diya, which is a free gift along with the purchase. Today is October 28th. This is Diwali offer, it seems. You are getting a silver diya, small one, or a silver coin, whichever you choose. And for our purchase they gave some lucky draw coupon which we have to put in that box, it seems. So we'll see our luck with this coupon now. So these is the bangles which we finally ended up buying. It's so good. I liked it. I wanted thick bangles, no matter even if it's lightweight. So I really loved this. So we bought this now. This is 17.5 grams each, so total 34.6 grams. Today's gold rate is around 7,400 as of October 28 today, and with the GST and making charges and all of that. And then on top of that they gave us a small diya, silver diya, that was a free gift from their side, and then they gave us a bag and all those complimentary things. So it was a good experience buying. Tell me which bangles did you like out of the ones which I chose. Did you like something else, or did you like this choice? Let me know all of that in the comment section. We had these two bangles. These are heavier ones, and I wanted something which will, be bigger than this, thicker than this. So that's the reason I bought these. So it would be something like this if I wear this, if I wear this like this one would be bigger than this. So something like this I wanted. So I'm very happy. Yay! So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If yes, please hit that like button. If you're new, please do subscribe for a lot of content like these. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.